Nothing will ruin your day faster than mixing a cement-based self-leveling underlayment with hot water. The hot water will speed up the curing reaction and make placing the leveling compound virtually impossible. The same thing would be true with any cement-based patch, skim coat, tile mortar, or grout. Mixing with hot water is going to speed up the set time and significantly reduce the pot life of the mixture. So how can you keep cool when the weather and water supply won't comply? One way to do this is to ice your mixing water before you blend it with the cementitious product. For big projects, we'd recommend filling a MAPEI self-leveling mixing barrel with water and then adding a couple 10-pound blocks of ice to cool the hot water down. Then, when you're ready, pull the required amount of cool water from the barrel and mix with the leveling or patching compound. For smaller projects, the same trick will work, just on a smaller scale. It's important to remember when using ice, make sure the ice itself does not get mixed with the product, and that only the cool water does. This trick will avoid speeding up the set time when you're doing detail work and when you don't want the product to set up too fast. And on a personal level, it's always a good idea to keep your own cool when working in hot environments. For more information on our products and help in selecting the right one for your project, please call us at 800-992-6273 or visit our website.